Welcome to the third module or third lecture of section 1. In this module, we are going to take a look at various components of IoT devices or components of Internet of Things. So this module will guide you into various sensors and components that can be attached to an IoT device. This course contains various projects, and for these projects we need various sensors. Now if you buy these sensors separately, it will definitely cost you more and it will take time to reach you. For simplicity, we have a box of all the sensors that are required in this project, and you can either order them from our website or from a shop or your local shop that sells it. The major importance of this box is it covers everything that is required for this course. For example, the first and the major component is the ESP8266 chipset. Now this board is actually available in the box itself and it can be programmed. All the components that are required for this course are readily available inside the box. You will be finding various sensors including a servo motor and tons of sensors that we will be covering in the course with various projects. All these components are sealed and all the resistors, sensors and all the LED displays, everything is inside the box itself. So just get it and let's take a look at various sensors. Majorly, these modules are actually connected to the IoT devices, and in this course we are going to learn about various modules of IoT devices. The first one is the board itself, that is Node MCU. Now Node MCU is the board that we are going to use for all the projects that are inside this course. The second major component of an IoT device are the sensors. Small sensors are crucial and they play a crucial part, a crucial component of IoT device. They enable these devices to gather data from their surroundings, making them responsible to their environment and allowing for automation and control. Few examples of sensors are temperature sensor, humidity sensor. These sensors measure the temperature and humidity of a surrounding environment. They are widely used in smart homes, weather stations, and industrial application. We can also use light sensors. These sensors detect intensity and color of light. They are used in various applications. Motion sensors. Now these sensors can detect movement in their vicinity. They are commonly used in security systems, smart lightings, and automated applications. We also have things like gas sensors, pressure sensors, and advanced sensors like gyroscope and accelerometer. We also have magnetometers. These sensors measure magnetic fields and components navigating the systems. The third thing is the breadboard. That is also a key component of IoT device. A breadboard will actually allow us to add and play around with our projects. And yes, fourth one is the connection, which can be done with either wires or soldering the IoT device and sensors directly. But for this course, we'll be using some connectors. So there are various small components. As I told, we are going to take a look at resistors, temperature sensors, light sensors, connectivity, motion sensors, and data processing sensors. Thank you for watching. This was lecture 3 of section 1 of ESP8266, and we are learning ESP8266 IoT device hacking from hackers. Shesha.